Hey folks, welcome back. So I thought I'd hop on that Dubai chocolate trend. For those of you who don't know, the Dubai chocolate is a thick chocolate bar that is filled with kataifi, I think it's kataifi, and pistachio spread, and it has the most satisfying crunch. I'd never tried Dubai chocolate before today, but every reel I saw of someone biting into this massive block of chocolate made me want to try it so bad. So we are going to make it today. Let's do this. So we're going to need some chocolate, some oil for the chocolate, some pistachio spread. This was $12, by the way. I couldn't find kataifi, but I have some Filo Pastry, some butter, and I got some pistachios here just for decoration. Let's start with our pastry. So we want to cut this up super fine into little strips. This was super satisfying to cut up, honestly. Anyway, this took a while, so enjoy this little montage of me cutting up this Filo pastry. Once cut up, add some butter to a pan and in small amounts start frying up your pastry. Just enough until you start to notice the pastry turning slightly golden. Now Filo pastry burns quickly, so you have to keep stirring it around to avoid it from burning. Once it's done, it should look a little something like this. Once your pastry is done, take your pistachio spread and pop that in a bowl with some tahini. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. You need tahini for this recipe, about a spoonful. Add your tahini and microwave that for about a minute. Stir that all together until you get this lovely velvety consistency. Once that is done, add that to your pastry and mix that all together. Then take your chocolate and add your oil and microwave this until it is melted and smooth. Add this to your mold. Now, I don't have a chocolate bar mold, but I do have these ice molds, so I thought I could make individual little bars. You want to make sure that your chocolate layer is thick enough to hold all the pistachio goodness inside. Now, I'm no chocolatier. I don't have a lot of experience with chocolate, so mine came out looking a little funky, a little rustic, but hey, that's fine with me. Our next step is to add our delicious pistachio kataifi filling. And then you want to top that off with your leftover melted chocolate. Just spread a nice big even layer. Then with your pistachios, you're going to want to sprinkle that on top, just like this. Then pop that in the freezer and let it set. Then came the part that I had been dreading, pulling the bars out of the molds. And I'm not gonna lie, this took a lot of effort and I was so scared to break them. But we eventually got them all out and they came out so perfect, so cute. I am so happy with how these turned out. And there you have it, folks. Little individual Dubai chocolate bars. I am so happy with how these turned out. They came out so cute. And it wouldn't be a Dubai chocolate bar video without a satisfying crunchy cut through the bar. Look at that, folks. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? I'm going to do another one right here. that's all from me today, folks. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you give this recipe a go. It is so simple, so easy, and I really could not recommend this recipe enough. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.